In the midst of the rapid advancement of global military technology, Turkey is once again showing its prowess by launching the serial production of the unmanned ground robot BARKAN, developed by the defense technology company HAVELSAN. Integrated into the Turkish Armed Forces in 2023, BARKAN officially became the first unmanned ground vehicle UGV in Turkey to enter mass production. This decision was made after a series of operational trials. BARKAN has been declared successful in various combat and reconnaissance scenarios. However, this step is not only a new milestone in Turkey's defense independence, but also marks a new era of warfare based on autonomous systems, which are increasingly integrated with artificial intelligence. Equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence (AI), BARKAN can recognize its surroundings in real time and make tactical decisions autonomously. As a flagship product in Turkey's autonomous system development portfolio, this ground robot has autonomous navigation capabilities, integrated smart weapons, and advanced reconnaissance sensors. It is designed to carry out various missions ranging from border patrol to close combat support without direct risk to military personnel. One of the main advantages of this UGV is its modular system. HAVELSAN designed BARKAN to be configurable according to mission needs. From reconnaissance missions, mine sweeping, to direct attacks, everything can be accomplished simply by changing the installed modules. The BARKAN robot can be operated remotely or semi-autonomously, and it is even capable of operating in coordination within a group, thus opening up great potential for the application of swarm tactics in modern warfare. In terms of armament, it can carry various weapon systems, including a 7.62mm automatic machine gun, grenade launchers, and even short-range missiles capable of destroying armor. The weapon stabilization system ensures that shooting accuracy remains high, even while moving. Meanwhile, the BARKAN, equipped with thermal imaging and night vision features, allows this vehicle to operate effectively at night or in poor weather conditions. Its advanced optical system is capable of detecting enemy movement up to a distance of 2 kilometers with high accuracy. In addition, the encrypted communication system is based on military frequency and can be integrated into troop tactical networks. This way, it can operate in formation, exchanging information instantly with aerial drones and command centers. To enhance operational resilience and security, BARKAN is equipped with lightweight armor that can withstand small caliber bullets and grenade shrapnel. For its mobility, BARKAN is equipped with an all-terrain wheel system and intelligent suspension that allows it to move over rocky terrains, deserts, and urban areas. Despite weighing around 500 kilograms, it remains agile and even quite sturdy in war zones. Its maximum speed can reach up to 40 kilometers per hour, with an operational endurance of up to 8 hours non-stop. In field tests, BARKAN successfully demonstrated its resilience in various terrains, from deserts to hilly areas, while proving its ability to work in coordination with human infantry units. It also successfully completed complex enemy attack simulations, including small drone attacks, close quarters assault, and hostage situations. All missions were conducted without direct intervention from human operators. One of the achievements of the BARKAN vehicle is its success in supporting counter-terrorism operations in the Turkish border area. It has proven to be effective as it can replace the role of human patrols in vulnerable zones, which is very useful as it can reduce the risk of casualties for the military. The Turkish government, through the Ministry of Defense, stated that the production of BARKAN will be carried out in stages with a target of 200 units in the initial phase to support internal operations and border guard missions. In its development, HAVELSAN collaborates with various technical universities in Turkey, making BARKAN a model of strategic collaboration between industry, academia, and the military. This also serves as a driver for the national technology ecosystem. The Turkish people welcomed with enthusiasm the launch of this vehicle series, seeing it as a symbol of independence and the resurgence of the domestic industry. Many refer to Barkan as the child of the nation born from the spirit of modernization and a grand vision. With the commencement of mass production, Turkey is preparing not only to strengthen its own armed forces, but also to offer Barkan as a strategic export solution to allied countries. Not only used by the Turkish armed forces, HAVELSAN also mentioned that several friendly countries have expressed interest in importing Barkan. This indicates a large export potential for the Turkish defense industry to the global market. This step will certainly provide an economic boost, while also expanding Turkey's influence in the global defense technology market. The launch of serial production is not merely an industrial achievement, but also a symbol of Turkey's progress towards technological autonomy and future military strength. Due to operational success and the commencement of serial production, Barkan is not just an ordinary combat ground robot. It has become a new icon of Turkish military power in the digital era. The future of the battlefield has arrived, and Barkan is ready to lead the way forward in modern warfare.